Okay, Adam. What continent is uh, India,
Asia.
Australia,
Well, Oceania.
Denmark,
Europe.
Vanuatu,
Oceania.
Canada,
North America.
Argentina,
South America.
Egypt,
Africa.
Guatemala,
Central America.
Madagascar,
Maritime Africa.
Madagascar,
Africa.
China,
What? Asia.
Italy,
Europe. That's in the coast of Africa.
okay, Dominican Republic,
Island country in the Caribbean.
Germany,
Europe.
the Bahamas,
Caribbean.
Colombia. Nade Caribbean nga continent.
Caribbean is part of Central America.
Okay. Colombia,
South America.
Croatia,
Europe.
Ghana,
Africa.
Chile,
South America.
Botswana,
Africa.
Greece.
Well, Europe.
Last one. Cameroon.
Africa.
Okay.